7 million Californians live in wildland urban interface areas where homes meet wildlands, increasing the risk of wildfire damage. Did you know that 90% of homes lost in wildfires are ignited by windblown embers? These tiny burning particles can travel miles, landing in gutters, vents, and roofs, quickly sparking fires. That's why home hardening is essential. Home hardening involves upgrading key areas of your home with fire-resistant materials to reduce the risk of ignition. Here's how you can protect your home. Upgrade your roof with fire-resistant materials like Class A asphalt shingles. Replace your standard foundation and eave vents with ember-resistant Vulcan vents. Designed with corrosion-resistant mesh and an intumescent coating that expands under high heat, blocking embers before they enter your home. Traditional open-top gutters collect flammable debris, so they are not CAL FIRE approved. CAL FIRE requires covered gutters like leaf guard gutters, a seamless, one-piece system that blocks debris and reduces fire hazards. Create defensible space by clearing dry vegetation and using non-combustible landscaping materials within 5 feet of your home. At Byers, we specialize in CAL FIRE approved home hardening solutions, fire-resistant Class A roofing Vulcan vents, land clearing, and leaf guard gutters that protect your home from flammable debris. Our expert team is dedicated to helping homeowners across California stay safe and prepared. Don't wait until wildfire season arrives. Contact us today to schedule your free home hardening estimate.